Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling developer options and preparing a power source. First, tap build number 7 times and open developer options. Turn on stay awake so the screen stays on while charging. Plug the device into a stable power supply. If you prefer a deeper method, install ADB on your PC and enable USB debugging when the prompt appears. Once done, you're ready to run the persistent command or install the app that will lock the screen on. Now apply the persistent setting. If using ADB, run the shell command to set screen off timeout to the maximum integer. This forces an effectively never timeout. Alternatively, install a reputable screen on app or create a tasker profile that acquires a continuous wake lock for the display. Make sure you disable battery optimization for the chosen app so the system won't suspend it. Once active, verify the screen stays on for several minutes to confirm the wake lock is persistent. Finish by testing and addressing common failures. Leave the device idle for 10 to 15 minutes and confirm the screen remains on and your app retains a wake lock. If the screen still turns off, re-enable USB debugging and rerun the ADB command or reinstall and grant permissions to the Screen On app. Sometimes battery optimization must be toggled off again. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see unexpected sleep, check battery optimization and app permissions first. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.